All right, and welcome. Here we are again with another trading week, the start of a new trading week. It is also Thanksgiving week, and from experience in previous years, I believe it's going to be a bit slow for actual trading. Of course, you never know, such is the nature of the beast. But I thought this would be a good opportunity to introduce you to a trading method that I've been using, testing out really for several months now, and that has a very good potential of producing winning trades. It's a very simple method, very easy to use, very simple to understand, and I thought I'd introduce it to you guys. It requires one special indicator, which I will link a download link in the description box below. As always, you don't have to pay me for that. I'm glad that I'm able to provide this resource for you. So anyway, let's get started here. The setup of the chart is very simple. I continue to keep my line chart, and I added a where am I here? I added a 50 SMA or 50 simple moving average to it, which comes default standard with the MT4 platform. And then I use this special indicator right here, which is called auto trend line. Again, I'll provide a download link in the description box below. And this is simply installed in the indicators directory. The only change after you install this, the only change that you have to make, and let me show this to you. If we go to indicator list, here you have the auto trend line. The only change you have to make, it defaults to short term, and it defaults to 120. Change this to 200, click on OK, and you're done. That's the only change you have to make. And what I like about this particular tool is that it not only draws trend lines, as you can see, but it automatically adjusts it. So it's not like cluttering up your chart with line after line after line as time progresses. It literally adjusts to your chart and to price as price continues to move. It's absolutely beautiful. So with this said, instead of using my 4-hour chart, however, I use a 30-minute chart, as you can see right here. So the way that this works is actually very simple. Oh, by the way, before I forget, you have no need for the weekly or the daily chart with this little trading routine. So you can go just one chart, simple as that, like you see right here, right now. Now, to trade this is actually very simple and very straightforward. As you see, price right now is going, by the way, this is downtrend, this is uptrend. The solid bar means the downtrend is strong. The dotted bar or line means the downtrend is perhaps fizzling out. Same with uptrend. Solid line is strong uptrend. Dotted lines, trend may be fizzling out. So how does this work? How do you trade this? Well, it's actually very simple. On a downtrend, we look for sell opportunities only. On an uptrend, we look for buy opportunities only. In this case, we are on a downtrend as the line indicates, and although it's sitting in the fizzling out mode, price seems to trace back, was once above, but is now tracing back below the trend line. We do not enter any trade until two conditions are met. For a sell position as well as for a buy position, the conditions are the same, just in reverse. And the conditions are as follows. In order to get into a sell position here, The 50 SMA must be below the trend line and price must be below the 50 SMA. That's it. For example, if I go back a little bit and I look, where are we? Right around here. Oh, this is the wrong darn thing again. Why am I always picking this square? And I look around right here, this area right here, you can tell that while price is below the trend line right here, however, the 50 SMA is above the trend line. So this is not a sell position. Where the sell position starts is right here in this area when the 50 SMA moves below the trend line and price moves below the 50 SMA. So you would enter a sell position here and then you simply let it ride. And look at this. And you stay in this sell position until price moves above the 50 SMA right here. That's when you get out. That's it. That's the whole premise of this trading mechanism, this trading strategy, and it works remarkably well. It's the same applies, for example, when you're in a buy method. Like let's say if the line originally would have been here. Of course, I'm going back in time, which I don't really like doing. I like showing actual as it's really happening. But again, the same thing. Even though price here was above the trend line, it was below the 50 SMA. So that is not a buy signal. Buy signal is when the 50 SMA is above the trend line and price is above the 50 SMA. So our entry signal would have been right here on this spot. And again, the same applies. We let it run until the price dips below the 50 SMA for a buy position, and that's when we close the buy position. It's that simple. It's that easy. I thought I would share this with you, and I hope you have a lot of fun with it. Happy trading. Go make some money, and happy holidays. I'm a little bit ahead here, but nonetheless, stay safe, and above all, God bless.